Welcome. My name is Ayo. I'm the president of Coopital-Lekki Cooperative Multipurpose Society Limited. I'd like to welcome you to this exciting presentation, which takes you through on a journey to letting you know about our cooperative society. And in the next couple of minutes, I will be presenting to let you understand why you should join Coopital-Lekki Cooperative Multipurpose Society. Coopital-Lekki Cooperative Multipurpose Society is a duly registered and regulated society by the Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industries and Cooperatives, and it's been registered to operate as a multipurpose cooperative society. By that I mean, apart from the ordinary business of savings and loan, a multi-purpose cooperative society can go into investment, establishment of new business ventures, asset acquisition, estate land, real estate development, and so much more. By the term multi-purpose, it means the cooperative is licensed to do a varied number of businesses. The society was registered on June 14, 2019 with registration number LSCS 16854. We are a member of Ibeju-Lekki Multipurpose Cooperative Union. We're a member of Lagos State Cooperative Federation. We're also affiliated to the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria and by extension, the International Cooperative Alliance. We are in strategic partnership with Creditude Global Services on technology and marketing matters. This is a key partnership that helps us to leverage technology and all available marketing resources to be able to bring the knowledge of what we are doing to you, the viewers or the listeners. What is a cooperative society? According to the International Cooperative Alliance, ICA, a cooperative is an autonomous association of persons united voluntarily to meet their economic, social, and cultural needs and aspirations through a jointly owned and democratically controlled enterprise. In a nutshell, a cooperative society is like a bank offering savings, loans, investments, and other consumer products to its members who are the primary volunteers and owners of this society. There are 7 core principles of a cooperative society, and these are voluntary and open membership, democratic member control, members' economic participation, economic and independence, education, training and information, cooperation among cooperatives, concern for community. Our vision and mission. We are not an employment-based cooperative. This means that our membership is open to employees and self-employed professionals. Members are required to make compulsory monthly contribution and fulfill their financial commitment to the society. Our vision is to be the cooperative that people go to for diversified financial and allied services that improve the quality of life of members and the community. Our mission, to efficiently deliver relevant products and services to members through digital channels compliant with international best practice. Our products and services, compulsory monthly savings. This is, in other words, called a membership savings. It is compulsory, it is mandatory. Members must save monthly. This is as prescribed by the bylaw. They save in perpetuity, and that's why it's a membership savings. You continue to save. That's what keeps you as a member. Daily savings. This is optional for those who are involved in daily income or their businesses generate daily income. They may want to set aside a certain amount of money every day. At the end of 30 days or at the end of the month, they collect this money. If it has It's not some sort of bulk money they can plow back into their businesses. Okay, target savings for those who are planning something in the near future, maybe to go on vacation, maybe school fees, maybe Christmas, end of year. And so I want to save between January and December, or between May and December. This is how much I want to save. By this time of the year, I want to have saved 500,000. Once I achieve 500,000, I want that money back because I want to use it for a project. That is target savings. Personal loan. Of course, you know that once you're a member of our cooperative and you've been a member for at least 6 months, you are entitled to borrow as much as twice your compulsory savings. That means 200% of your compulsory savings. And these loans are low interest loan. We have loans as low as 5% interest, some are 10%. The highest is 12% per annum. We also have share capital. Every member of the cooperative invests in share capital. Share capital is what we use for investment, for development, for real estate, for whatever business venture we want to go into. Is the share capital that is being used. Housing and mortgage scheme, we have the estate scheme, we have the federal government social housing scheme, and we have the group mortgage. Members can avail themselves of this. We also have other forms of collection: pension, insurance, national social housing program, also insurance premium collections. These are products. From time to time, as we engage our members, we come up with new products, which are tailored to meet the needs of our members. Our operations, leveraging technology, the society is able to operate from anywhere and cater to the worldwide needs of its members. We meet on every third Sunday of the month at 2 p.m. We have our meeting online on Zoom. There you get to see all of our members. We have our deliberations, decisions are made, suggestions are made. At the end of the day, we come up with decisions on how to move our cooperative forward. Twice a year, we have physical meetings, biannually. But on all other months, there are virtual meetings on Zoom. So wherever you are in the world, you can always hook up and join us on Zoom every third Sunday of the month at 2 p.m. Nigeria time. Another thing we plan to do is to relocate our office from Songotedo here in Lekki to Abraham Adesanya, where you have HFP East Line Shopping Mall. We're going to relocate our office there to make ourselves more accessible to our numerous members who are coming from all parts of Nigeria. That office construction work is targeted at completion December 2020, and operations will commence by December 2020. Who are our team? Our management team. I am the president. I've been in the financial service industry for over 22 years. I was once a banker of 20 years. I have over 17 years in management of various cooperative societies. And then the general secretary is Mr. Emmanuel Ita, who has been working in public service for over 15 years. I have Mrs. Basi Okeya, who is also a veteran in the management of cooperative society, over 30 years experience in the management of cooperative. She's a regional manager at Lagos and Niger Shipping Agency. She's the treasurer. And we also have our assistant general secretary, Mrs. Udwak Malomo, who is an experienced teacher of over 15 years. So these are the team managing the cooperative society. They are well grounded, they are professionals, and I will say that they've been doing well in managing this cooperative and taking it. Why should you join us? One of the reasons I always tell people is the low entry cost of ownership. When you join Coopital Lekki Cooperative Multipurpose Society Limited, you become a co-owner of the society. With 14,000 registration amount, you have your shares, you've taken up the savings for that month, you've paid the dues. I don't know of any form of business of this magnitude that anyone can become a shareholder are just as little as joining fee of 14,000 naira, out of which 4,000 is for your share capital, 5,000 is your minimum savings, 4,000 registration, and 1,000 dues. I don't know of any other business. But when you become a member of this cooperative, you become a shareholder of the society. Another reason to join is well-building, because members commit to membership contribution, monthly membership contribution, where they save every month in perpetuity, and over a period of time, they've been able to build up their life savings. They are able, because they are pulling funds constantly, the cooperative is able to use those funds to invest in viable businesses, in viable ventures that generate returns which are being paid back to members as patronage returns or as dividends. Loan factor, you get twice as much your compulsory savings. If you choose to avail yourself of the maximum credit, you can access twice as much as you have saved. Okay? The dividends are paid every year. So this is a form of return or patronage returns that is being paid. You are being paid for collecting loan, you are being paid for savings, you are being paid for investing in share capital. Okay? And of course, the synergy, the power of numbers, that people of like minds can come together and pool their resources together. With that, we're able to use that collective aggregation of financial might. And we're able to use such financial resources to take on huge projects that a single person would not have been easily able to tackle. But when we put together our resources, we're able to surmount this hurdle. What is the problem we're trying to solve? The unbalanced exchange value. Unbalanced exchange of value. For customers, there's a low level of satisfaction observed among people who put their monies in the bank. They keep that money in the bank and they get very little returns. Some have been saving for many years, yet they are not able to qualify to access loan from their banks. And so, even where banks are giving loans to people, some of these people, workers or traders, their employers are not under the employment list or do not qualify, do not make the bank's employer list, in the sense that their company are not among those that have been profiled by banks to give loans to their staff. And so a lot of people, a lot of bank customers do not qualify for mortgage loan. That is an imbalance. You are saving your money, yet your records of over the years does not qualify you for mortgage loan or some form of substantial loan from your bank. That is an imbalance. And so what we are saying is that we want to provide the solution. We are providing the solution to that by creating an environment where when you join, you not only become a co-owner, but you are also involved in all the activities that helps people to overcome this hurdle they face with their bank. You are able to participate in savings, in share capital, you take loans, and you enjoy equity. You have shares in the cooperative. When the cooperative is buying land or doing some property, selling property or selling land to its members, you benefit. When the cooperative is selling provisions or commodity, you benefit. When the cooperative is paying out dividends, surpluses, you benefit from it. So it's a win-win. So Coopital is where wanting more meets getting more. The cooperative earns income from economic activities like loans granted to members, deposit placement, consumer product sales, and declares a surplus at every year end, from which dividends are paid to members in proportion to their contributions during the accounting year. What is Coopital Cooperative Advantage? What is the advantage that we have? Our form of business, what does it What is the advantage it has over other forms of business? One, discipline. Our members, we teach them, we imbibe in them that discipline, that understanding. So it becomes inculcated in them, the habit of saving a portion of their income every month. They save a portion of their income every month. Because it is foolishness to consume everything you earn. You shouldn't consume. Nobody should do that. You should leave some for the rainy day. And not just leaving some for the rainy day, but keying into a system, a program that consistently helps you to save over a prolonged period of time. It is only by saving consistently over a prolonged period of time and using these savings, channel it into investment, into assets, earning assets. It's only through such mechanism that you can be close to or even think about attaining financial freedom. You must commit to savings. And that is what we teach our members. We train our members regularly. From month to month, their training going up, periodical training, just on financial intelligence and other forms of wealth building processes. There's unity of purpose among us. The collective approach to management of resources and aspiration is not something you can find in other forms of businesses. Access to low interest loan. Our loans, like I said, the maximum is 12% per annum. Some loans are even 5%. You can't get this from anywhere. You can't get this from any bank. Technology is also a strength. We leverage technology to manage our processes for agility and scale. In terms of industry overall, we run a viable society that is able to pay members surpluses generated from finance and trading activities. It is a progressive society made up of progressive people, and as you join, you will meet people of like minds. We take membership through a process of well-building, through self-help, equipping them, and creating opportunities for our members to become economically empowered. The stability, membership of our society creates a sense of togetherness for progress and fosters stability in our members' career and their family lives. Once you look back and you know that you have some savings secured somewhere in a cooperative society like ours, knowing that your funds are being managed, knowing that they are being invested, returns are there, it helps you to, it puts some bounce in your step. It gives you some sense of calmness, some assurance, and it can help you think clearly, and focus on more progressive things instead of worrying about what you will eat, what you will drink, where you will lay your head. Because these are supposed to be basic things. But with the cooperative that has empowered you and helped to cater for these things, you have clear mind to focus on more progressive and more productive things that can better enhance the quality of your life. Sustain ROI, return on investment, that is guaranteed consistently every year. Dividend is being paid. What are the benefits? Well-building, monthly savings help members to achieve their life savings objective. Loan factor, 200% of your total savings. You can access that as loan. Mortgage and housing, from time to time, that is made available. Networking, members get to meet other members from varying walks of life. Dividend, returns are paid on patronage and contributions at the end of each accounting year. What is the requirement for membership? 1, you must be 18 years and above. 2, you must be a Nigerian. 3, you must be of sound mind and an honest character. And then 4, you must have a valid means of identification to be able to identify yourself, okay? By providing any of the government-issued forms of identification. And then, of course, you pay the joining fee of 14,000, which is the initial money you pay. The 14,000 is broken down into registration is 4,000, monthly dues is 1,000, monthly savings 5,000 minimum, monthly share capital 4,000 minimum. So you can decide to give more, you can decide to save more, you can decide to give more in your share capital. It's up to you, but the minimum is 14,000 in the first month. So after the first month, once you've joined, subsequent month, you commit to paying minimum of 10,000 every month. And that 10,000 is broken down as monthly savings, 5,000 minimum, dues, 1,000, monthly share capital, 4,000 minimum, total of 10,000. And if you have loan, you also have to, service your loan and any form of other contribution, maybe daily savings or target savings, any form of other contribution that you are participating in. What do we do with members' monthly membership contribution? For the share capital, we use it for investments, usually in fixed assets, real estate, money market, capital market instruments. We use it to set up new ventures. And what do we get for doing this? The society earns rental income if it's real estate, properties, capital gain if we bought the property to resell, we resell at a profit, at a margin, that's capital gain. Interest income if we placed it on maybe treasury bill or fixed deposit. Or equity if we invested it in capital market, buying shares of other blue chip companies. We get paid dividend from that. Or if we sell it, maybe we'll buy at a low price and the price appreciates and we sell and we make a profit. That's capital appreciation, And if it's buying and selling, you get profit from it, okay? For savings, what do we use your savings for? The savings is pulled together and is on lending to members. So when members come to ask for loan, it is from the pool of savings that members are provided that we give out these loans. So from it, the society earns interest income. And all this adds up to all the surplus that we've made. And at the end of an accounting year, we audit our books and then declare a surplus and determine what the dividend thing is. And we pay in dividend to members in proportion to their contribution, their financial contribution. Dues is used to fund the society's operational expenses. And once you have funds to be able to fund your operational expenses, it means that you are able to expand your business operationally. In conclusion, why did we adopt this cooperative business model? When we're starting it, why didn't we start a limited liability company? Why didn't we start another form of business? Why cooperative business model? The reasons are this: the low cost of ownership. Even with as low as 14,000 naira, which is the first payment you make, minimum, you become a part owner of this enterprise. Another reason is that the society is democratically controlled. At meetings, we take polls, people sponsor motions, we debate on it, and we vote on that decision. Tax implication: we pay next to nothing as tax. Apart from education tax and some statutory contributions we make, you collect all your money, your dividends, your returns, free of tax. So that's the benefit. If we were a limited liability company, we will have to pay corporation tax. If it was a sole proprietorship, we will pay personal income tax. But with this, tax implication is next to zero, because even the education tax is just a form of social responsibility, 2.5%. And lastly, members are the ultimate benefactors and beneficiaries of cooperative activities. Whatever we do is for the benefit of our members. Whatever we do is for the benefit of our members. In conclusion, I'd like for you to simply watch this video. Thank you.
As you think about the future, a number of things will confront you as you go along. Financial security, savings, loans, property acquisition, investment, business ownership, preventing old age poverty, good health, and so much more. However, you should be able to leverage your current level of income and capital to secure a sound financial future for yourself. Coopital Lekki Cooperative Multipurpose Society Limited aka Coopital is where capital meets cooperation. In other words, people pooling together their capital and resources in cooperation to meet their investment needs and for on-lending to members at low interest rate. Take advantage of the most affordable model of becoming a co-owner of a sustainable global business. Coopital-Lekki Cooperative Multipurpose Society Limited is a business of the people, for the people, and by the people. Decide today to join, become a co-owner, save monthly, invest and grow your wealth. For further inquiry, visit us today at www.coopitalcooperative.org or tell +234 0903 603 8123. This video was sponsored by Creditude Global Services Limited.
Thank you very much for listening and for watching. For further inquiries, please visit us at our website, coopitalcooperative.org, or you could send us an email to info@coopitalcooperative.org. Or you could also follow us on our social media on Twitter, that is there clearly on your screen, on Instagram, on Facebook. It's been a pleasure presenting this video to you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are better informed and you're ready to join us as a member. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.